Good morning, guys. This is Mike from OITC. It is Monday morning, 28 degrees. Another windy morning. You better grab your winter coat. We are right now taking a quick tour of the southern end of the cove, and we wanted to see what Brumbaugh Mountain looks like this morning. So we're going to head up that way. So there is still some slush on the roads, as you can see here. So you still have to drive pretty careful. There is still some ice out. 28 degrees, it's not melting real well. The road crews have done a pretty good job throughout the night, though, so that is one thing that we have going for us. Milk trucks are out this morning. Farmers are in action already. Cold doesn't stop them. But if you look around the landscape, you can see that there is some snow laying, and if you look closely on the mountains as we get closer, you'll notice the higher up we go, most likely we're probably going to see more snow. So we are near the base of the mountain right now, and we're going to start up toward the top. Once we get to the top, we're probably going to get out and get some good shots of both sides. So from the top of this mountain, you can see a lot of the cove really well. And you can also see the other side over toward Osterberg. So as we're heading up the mountain right now, it doesn't look too bad at all, actually. The roads are pretty clear. There is some stones on the road, so even though the roads are clear now, you have to really be concerned when you're going around turns that the stones are going to make you slip too bad. Still some fall leaves on the trees. Top of Brumbaugh Mountain. It's pretty windy up here, actually. So we're going to pan around and we're going to look at the cove side of the mountain here. As you can see, a lot of it is snow covered, and you can't see really far. There's not a lot of visibility in the sky. Just some like a light snow that's still blowing through. So we'll try to zoom in here a little bit. You can see, you can't really see real far. Of course, here's the sign at the top of Brumbaugh. It says, welcome to Morrison's Cove. Six Nation Indians, 1830 first settlers, excellent farming, save your site, Cove Lines, home of Enterprise Stone and Line Corporation. We're going to take a look at the other side of the mountain at this point. Now, immediately, you can see the trees moving with the wind there and the leaves. And as we peak the top, we are now getting hit by a lot of wind. We're going to walk down a little bit. Not real far. It is cold and windy this morning. And if you can tell, it's already extremely windy. So as you can see, very windy on this side. Gusts, I'm guessing the gusts are probably close 40 some mile an hour like they were last night. Really windy. So if you have to go over the mountain, please travel safe, and we'll keep you updated throughout the day. This is Mike from OITC. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.